how this is how we judge for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this one I'm going to show you how you can set up your iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max for the first time. Not only that, how you can make an Apple ID and use it for the first time. If you don't have Apple ID, if you are new to Apple environment, or you want another Apple ID, if you don't know how to do that, you can follow this tutorial, guys. So you see lovely looking iPhone 17 Pro Max. I have this type of video every year from iPhone 6 to iPhone 17 Pro Max. Okay, without any further ado, we have a power button always this side. In case if you don't know properly, this is the power button. You have to hit the power button, and when you see Apple logo, you have to leave that. Perfect. Now we come to this screen. You have to decide your language here. First one, decide English, Spanish, Chinese, whatever your language is. Here you see English at the top. So I hit English to put where you are location. So I have to go here, decide my country, where I am. You see here up here Argentina. So decide your country. I hit this one. After that you see appearance, which appearance you want, default, medium, large. So I leave as default. I hit continue button. Quick setup. If you have another iPhone, I have many iPhone here. iPhone 16 Pro Max I am using here. If you want to set up with another iPhone on screen to set up from iPhone 16, you can set up directly if you have nearby with another iPhone, but in this case I'm going to show you how you can do as a new one. So set up without another device. I hit continue here. Then you have to put your Wi-Fi. In this case, hit this one. You have to put password of your Wi-Fi. Perfect. After putting password, you have to hit next button. First thing first is asking software update. In this case, I don't want to update software. I hit update later. Data privacy, hit continue. Who will use this phone, child, teen, adult? I hit adult. Face ID, if you want continue with Face ID, you hit continue. If you want to set up later, I want to do this later. After that, I have to put password. You have to put a passcode. In this case, anytime you go inside to the phone. So remember which passcode you put, or otherwise you'll have a serious consequences. You have to put 2-time passcode. Okay. After that, here, transfer your app or data from another iPhone. If you want to transfer data app from another iPhone, you can do that. If you don't want to transfer data app, anything from another iPhone, you can skip this process. So I hit here don't transfer anything button. Apple account. So now moments of truth. I have to make one Apple account for you guys. So forget password or don't have an Apple account. In case if you have any Apple account, you have to put your Apple account here, your email address of iCloud, Google email address, or Microsoft, depend which Apple account you have. So in this case, I'm going to show you how you can make a brand new Apple account. Hit forget or continue. Here, forget password, create a free Apple account, set up later in settings. So create a free Apple account. I hit this one. So here I have to put my first name and last name. Let's see here. I have to put my date of birth. Put everything according to you. After putting that, hit continue button. I put a name. It will be iCloud Harry J at iCloud.com. So they will give me a new email address, okay, or use an existing email address. So you can use your live account Gmail, or you can have an iCloud account. I hit continue. Create email address. I hit this one. I have to put a password. I hit here continue. So here is my phone number. They will register this phone to my phone number that is connected. That means you have to have a chip. In some cases, if you don't have chip, I think still you can do that. So they will send me a text or phone call. So in this case, I think I need a chip inside to have a new Apple ID. So I hit continue here. Maybe in some cases, may not. So they're gonna send me a verification code. In this case, I'm waiting for that. Perfect, you see how the codes arrive. So here we go. Now it's setting up. We have to hit agree. All is done. Apple payment option, other things I will hit setup later. In this case, iPhone is ready. I hit continue button, continue button, continue button, continue button. Welcome screen. I hit get started. It's done. Some of the application is downloading. So use location service sharing, not now. So my iPhone is ready to use. So everything is here. We have, if we open camera, let's see, new camera design, cancel here. You want to see camera, video, continue, continue. Wow, beautiful. So this is working, it's fine. So this is the way you can set up your iPhone 17 Pro Max for the first time, no matter which color you have, or iPhone 17 Pro. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care, till then, bye bye.